daily life. This is not surprising. If you're now going to one of these refugee camps and would ask if a parent would give away its children, you will get many children if you really want to do that, because the situation here is so terrible. But this is a misuse of the bad situations where the parents are in. This is a business of making hope and hope for better life for the children. I'm not going to blame the parents, but it's still not in the interest of a child to be actively separated from its existing family. That's the strange thing. I do have a quote from one child yesterday. She really wants to go back to her family, but she clearly stated, I want to go, father and mother are separated, and she clearly stated, I want to go back to my father because my mother gave me away. So they, children, are aware what had happened. And this is hard, really hard and sad for them.